Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to download and install Apache JMeter step by step. Let's start. Let's check if Java is already on your computer or not. Open your command prompt and type java version. If you see version number, Java is installed. If you get an error, you need to download Java. Next step is a download Apache JMeter. Open your browser, open your browser and search Apache JMeter download. Go to the official download website. Scroll down to binaries and click on the zip file. Wait for the download. After downloading, extract the zip file. Click on the right click and extract. Wait for the process completion. The next step is a open JMeter. Go to the folder you extracted. Open the bin folder, and if you are using the Windows, click on the jmeter.bat. This file. Click on the run. Wait for a second. That's it. That's it for the video. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.